In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a contact within Close CRM, making sure you're comfortable and confident with each step of the process. First, we'll navigate to the Contacts section. Once you're logged in to Close CRM, take a look at your dashboard and locate the Contacts tab. Clicking here will bring up a list of all your current contacts. This is where you can manage your connections, stay organized, and effectively streamline your workflow. Now that we have our list in front of us, it's time to find the contact that you wish to delete. Scroll through your contacts or use the search bar for easier access if you have a long list. Click on the specific contact you're targeting to open up their profile page. Here, you'll see all the information you have stored about this person, from contact details to any notes or interactions. It's always a good habit to double check that this is indeed the contact you want to remove, as this step is crucial. Once a contact is deleted, restoring their information can be challenging. With the desired contact profile open, look towards the right side corner of this page, where you'll spot 3 small dots or a vertical ellipsis. These dots represent more options, so go ahead and click on them to reveal a drop-down menu in your interface. This menu will provide you with several options related to managing this contact. Among these options, locate and select the Delete button. This selection indicates to the system that you're initiating the deletion process for this contact. The system will prompt you once more to confirm your decision to delete. This extra step is a safety measure to prevent any accidental loss of information. It's always a good practice to pause here briefly to ensure that you're deleting the correct contact and that this action aligns with your intended goal. If you're certain, proceed by clicking on Delete again to finalize your choice. Once you've completed this final confirmation, the contact will be permanently removed from your contact list. Take a deep breath and congratulate yourself on successfully navigating through this process. Your contact list is now updated to better reflect your current priorities and connections. Remember, keeping an organized and up-to-date contact list is essential for maintaining efficient communication and ensuring that you're focusing on the connections most important to you and your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying how to manage your contacts within Close CRM. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.